Hello, welcome back to my Shabby Craft Corner, and today I am showing the finalised products that I've used using Played with Dolls and the Dolls House collection by the Pixie Dust Files. So this will be going off to one of my friends for to a new home, and I'm just going to share with you what I've created. So I finished the journal off. As you can see, I used the little mini circles as a lace tag dangle, and the teddy bear and the shoes down the bottom here with the button, and there's tiny little buttons on the shoes, so cute. So very cute and adorable journal. It's hard to see because we're right down, but I'll try and show you what I've done. So it's a tall and skinny, and I'm just going to flip through the pages with you. Maybe if I just put it off at a little angle. So I've included like a little sweetie bag with polka dots. Pocket in there that I could put, so she can put whatever she wants in there. This one I've done the tags, little Velcro hidey hole thing. It's an envelope. You can do these upsized to the large, but I did a small. You can put like needles in there, so it would be like a little sewing matchbox type envelope. Tags. I'll put one of the Dolls House in there. You can open the little doors up. There is a garden in every childhood, an enchanted place where colours are brighter, their air is softer, and the morning more fragrant than ever again. Elizabeth Lawrence. I put a little thing here. You can slip something there that'll hold it. Little pocket with a tag. Playtime. What do we do here? I think what I've done was I put that dangled, yeah, like that, so to be there. I was questioning myself then. Yeah, I did stick that one there like that. Madness in my method. I'll just stick that one on there. Home sweet home there. So I could have like really over embellished this, which you know I always do with my journals, but I did want to leave some writing space, and the laces were building up quite quickly, so I had to stop there. So there's the little journal. And then for the altered tints that I did, I created a little Doll's House, very primitive little book. And then needles can go into the back part. And some like little buttons on the little cutout that was left. So I'll go into there. And no, it doesn't close properly, but it doesn't really matter because it'll just sit like that. Put it there. And then for this one, I just put some little hidden paper clips created with the bears, and then just put little tiny like embellishments in, like buttons, paper clips, some bows, and a little fabric, little fabric thing there. So that's that one there. Put it all back in. So I'll put the link to the Pixie Dust Files digital collection for these, and I think it's just so cute and adorable, and my friends want me to make some more tins, so I'm going to be busy doing that. So thanks for watching, take care.